a Samsung fan or a tech enthusiast, you're going to want to stick around as we dive into the latest news regarding the One UI 7.0 beta update. Spoiler alert, it looks like we'll have to wait just a little bit longer. According to a moderator on Samsung's community forums, the One UI 7.0 beta program isn't quite ready just yet. They mentioned that the update might be delayed further than anticipated. Now, I know what you're thinking. Delays in software updates are frustrating, but let's unpack what's going on. Samsung has been taking more time than usual to develop each One UI update this year, and while the news of the One UI 7.0 delay isn't shocking, the reasons behind it are quite interesting. Traditionally, One UI 6.1 and even 6.0 face delays due to the integration of Galaxy AI features. This time, however, the focus is on ensuring unparalleled stability before kicking off the beta testing program. That's right, stability is key. Samsung and Steve is keen on laying down a strong foundation before rolling out the One UI 7.0 beta. They're also still in discussions about potential new features, which naturally extends the timeline. So what's new in this upcoming release and why does it matter? One UI 7.0 is set to be a major refresh for Samsung's user interface, and it's built on Android 15. We're talking substantial visual changes, improved animations, and a slew of new features that are sure to enhance your Galaxy smartphone experience. Let's break down some of those key features that were leaked just a month ago. Here's what you can look forward to. New system application icons that will refresh your home screen. A redesigned background interface for a more modern look. A revamped control area at the bottom of a lock screen. Adjustments to shortcut icons. Yes, we're talking about size improvements in those corners. An independent pull-down shortcut bar and notification area. Enhanced UI elements, including a more functional pill-shaped notification bar. Improved animations for app opening and closing, plus new battery and charging icons that look slick and modern. And there's more. Expect a new camera user interface, additional support for 5G SMS messages, and brand new animations for notifications and unlock actions. Not to mention the addition of many new desktop widgets in various sizes and even larger folders. Now, you might be wondering what's happening this month. Samsung is currently focused on bringing One UI 6.1 to its compatible devices. They started rolling out the update for the Galaxy S24 series on September 5 and plan to expand it to other flagship devices from 2022 and 2023 later this month. So, while we're cooling our heels a bit with the One UI 7.0 beta, there's still plenty happening in the Samsung universe. Make sure to stay tuned for all the latest updates and features coming your way. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech news and updates. What features are you most excited about in One UI 7.0? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.